Welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to learn that how to install the Python on Windows and what it means. So basically there is a misconception that we are going to install any text editor in this video, and Python is any text editor. So Python, what actually it means is just installing the basic Python rules so that any Python program can run on our Windows PC. Let me show you that properly. Most of you have already heard about the command prompt. If you open up the window and write cmd here, you will get this one, command prompt. That is a basic terminal used to write any kind of programming codes and run any kind of program. So basically this one is a terminal, and if I want to write any program in this one, first of all I have to select which kind of language or which type of shell I need to add. So if I write Python here, it will open up a Python shell. Here I can write Python programs. So if I use a basic program 3+5, that is a basic Python program without any other kind of syntax, and I will get 8 here as a result. So this is the output of this program here. So this command prompt will not work same in your computer if you will not install the Python in your computer. Here I have already installed the Python, that's why it works so properly here. So how to install that Python? So for that, go to Google and write Python 3.7. So you will find this one, python.org downloads. When you open up this one, so this is the official Python website. Here in this website, just click on downloads and download Python 3.7.3. that is the most upgraded one right now, and you will get the download and run save button here. So you can save the file wherever you want to. So just save this one and it will start downloading. So after that it will appear like this one here. If you see, if I open folder, I get this one here. So that's our Python 3.7. Now how to install this one? Just double click on that and it will automatically start to install. I have already installed it, so that's why I have a different kind of interface here. You just click on install now, so it will automatically start to install. And until it install, let me tell you something more about this command prompt. So this is the Python shell here. If you want to exit this Python shell, you will just write exit and parenthesis. You will get out of this Python shell here. Now I have told you that you can run any Python program in this command prompt. So how to run these kind of Python programs? So basically, if you have any Python program that is saved on any location, you have to first access that location. This thing here, if you see E, that is my Windows drive, then users, then dev, that is user me, and this is denoting any location, any particular location. Like if I have this particular location, that is DD, and I have any program in this one. So if I write the Python program or any other program name here, it will not work. First I have to access that location, and then I have to write the name of program, and then it will work. So I think this one installed here. Now let me show you how that actually work. So if I have this notepad here, and I will make a program file and save it on desktop. On desktop I have this DD, and make this one a Python file. So first of all select Python from here. So if you get the option here, Python file, or second thing is just write here like you have program name d.py. So it will automatically have its extension. This thing is .py is the extension, that is a Python program, and save it. And if you will not save it and you try to write any program, you will get like, if I write print hello, then I have print and hello. So this is a basic program, and actually it's not a program, it's just a text. Here you will find print hello in black words, and if you write in .py file, you will get this one, print, the colors will change. The changing color is the best way to denote to find the errors in your program. If color is not changing, then there is a problem in your code. So if I write here print hello, like other programming languages, like in C, we do not have to include any library like studio, Conio, etc. We have simple programs with no additional libraries, no statement terminators like this thing here, just print hello. If I save this one and close this one here, so I have this program.py here in this file. So how to run this program? If you directly click on this program, and you will find this one here, it will stop working, and most of the time this thing happen, you will not get any output. So to run that program, if you write the name of program directly here, d.py, you will get an error because the program is not at that location. You have to first access this location and then you make the program run. So to access the location, we have two kinds of command, that is cd and cd dot. Cd stand for change directory, and simple cd without any dot is to enter at any directory, and cd dot dot is to exit that directory. What I mean is, like if I have to access this folder, so first of all this folder is on desktop, so first I write cd desktop. Now I am in desktop, and if I want to be in this folder, I will write cd dd. Now I am in this folder. If you want to exit this one, cd dot dot, cd dot dot, and if you want to directly enter on that one, desktop \dd, you will directly in dd. Now if I want to run that program, and again if I write directly d.py, you will get this program. And another form that is more efficient, first write Python then d.py, you will again get the same result, but the writing Python is a more efficient way. So these are the basic things about command prompt, and I think most of the students get a little fear that what this thing is, I did not understand this thing, and this seems to be a little typical. So don't worry about that, we did not require to use this one anywhere in our course. This is a basic one, so that's why I have told you about this one. Now here if you see, I have Python installed. Now you just close this one and the Python programs will start running in this one. Now before closing this video, one more thing I want to tell you, that now most of the students are thinking that why shouldn't I just use this notepad to write the program and run them on command prompt. So you can also do this thing, write programs in notepad and run them here on the terminal, but this is not a much efficient way, because first you have to write the program, then you have to save, and then you have to access that program on this one. And most of the time programs like in matplotlib, color functions, that is 3D color graph that we are going to learn in this course, will not properly work here. So that's why having different advanced text editor is a much more efficient way. We are going to use the text editor that have inbuilt this terminal. You will just write the code and there is a terminal here that will show the output side by side. So that's why we need the different text editors, and we are going to install now different text editor in this module. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.